Hey, hello. Are we live or not? No, we're not live. It says we are, but we are not live. Hmm, that's such a shame. Uh, no, don't know what it is. We are not live. Uh, oh yeah, we are. Sorry, we are live. Okay, so yesterday I got stopped out of Tesla. So yeah, that was good. So once it started, I think I was looking at this, yeah, the 1 hour, and once I saw it failing this, closing week, I got myself, yeah, I had to get myself out. That close was, yeah, that was week close. Still looks good, long term, yeah, it looks good. But yeah, if you weren't here or you were, yeah, tough. My positions, I'm still in BBIO, Real, Holding, MU, good, but yeah, it doesn't look clean at least. Cypher is something I'm seeing like, long term, especially the weekly. You can tell it's a young stock. I like the sector, and to me, is the one that looks the best. First leg, well, the strongest was iron, obviously, but and yeah, it's still amazing. But well, yeah, I went for Cypher. Hopefully, my aspiration is to see a second leg going up. I like how it's holding. Now it's getting tight, building high lows. And of course, if we violate this lower higher low, I'll be out. And the same idea is for Joby. Strong sector, aerospace and defense. And I'm just hoping, for this thing, this is choppier for this team to keep building, high lows and hopefully, we have a second leg. It's a very young stock. Yeah, this is these are just guesses for long term. Gold, yeah, it's here. UAL, this is the one. I'm like still thinking what I should be doing, but anyways. Leaders, Palantir keeps pushing down. Shop, Google is doing nice things today. Google, oh, shit, ooh, completely got smoked. I was thinking this could be if we close strong, that could be a nice starter for Google. Hopefully, it will take longer and build the right hand side and then keep going up. But no, it didn't do that. Apple is holding really well. I don't know this company. What are they doing? Like, why should they go up? I don't know, but they are going up. Coin breaking down Google Futu. Wow, Emu. It's on its own. It's on its own. Emu. I'm lucky I own it, but if the sector is not doing the same or something similar, why would Emu not being the leader, let's say, will keep going up? It's always like, yeah. SLB, amazing SLB. God, I still remember this day at this level also because we were, and I thought, oh no, that's too much. Yeah, that's too much. Yeah, went up another 29%. It's too much. Like this one also. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Good. Yesterday I read something about Mario's great trader, amazing trader, thinking this is phase three in disguise. Phase three with such young stuff. Yeah, you know, I know it's been going up for so long, but it's so young. We've just been here, it's just been here for 1.5 years. Like, really? I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. We will see. Out, Misty on Netflix. Baba. Yo, Carvana. GV also setting. Many things are setting up nicely. Others have broken down yet, but still, a nice looking market, we'll say. We've just been going up for so long. Excuse me. For so long. Maybe we need a pause. I don't know. I have no clue. Okay, nothing. Ethereum. Frog. Yeah, nice. It looks good. It's a sector. Yeah, software. Yeah. I don't know. Solar or even solar breaking down. Yeah, no. China, yeah. Survived yesterday. Oh god. Couldn't take it. A spot. SLDP, CLS low. 10. Yeah, even 10. Yeah. I'm just thinking like out loud because this doesn't look um these long-term Cypher and Jopia, I will keep a very, very close eye because if it doesn't work, um, yeah, we'll see. We will see. Don't seem to be, in an easy market environment now for quite a while since it's October, pretty much. Kind of, that's the best that can happen to you. You go gap up, you sell some already into strength, maybe a quarter, stop break even, and life is good. Life is good then, in that case. Life is good when you do that. I still see many things setting up, but yeah, I don't know. Can we really go higher? 30 still looks amazing base. Then we can keep going. Well, it's not as young of a company, but anyways, that's super nice setup. HP the same. It's just some things are setting up really nicely, really, really nicely. Gold will come back for breaking down, keeps going down. I'm gonna raise my stop to the 393.48. Yeah, raising my stop on gold. It's just, I don't know. I don't think that's good enough. Okay, let's look at the scans for today. 4% breakout and breakdown. No alarm has been triggered. Yeah. BA, Boeing. Why is my UAL? Come on. Come on. Will we push higher? Yeah, we hope. We hope so. Circle. Circle. Nothing. There's nothing to do here. It's below the 50. Nothing for now. Marble. Beverage. Oh. Oh. Really. I'm just, yeah, it's been chopping around. Sector, internet content. Internet content. Whoa. Yeah. Well, at least that's a setup, you know? Breaking down, small gap, and off to the races. It's very nice. The cap and handle is the shape's really good. Probably we can see it, yeah, how it's building up. Super nice. Super, super. I'm just in this market, yeah, yeah, and it's a little bit soupy. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Trillion, yeah, maybe. Airbnb. I'm afraid I don't see anything. And you probably gonna move my stop in UAL to the 20, around the 20. At least break, sort of break even. If it doesn't work, because it needs more time or something. It's just a set UAL. You know, yeah, the setup itself here is good, looks good, it's nice, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if we're ready to go. So probably move the stop, as I said, in gold and UAL. Because the feedback I have been getting from the market, in my case, in my style, it's just, things are ugly, things are difficult. So yeah, take note. What? Arabian. Let's say semi. Nice. Yeah, it's one of the strongest. It's one of the strongest. What's your boss doing in the meantime? Shit. It's doing sugar. Marble. Metu. Pep. So, wow, the setup looks amazing. Huh? So we just went for first leg, consolidating and building our lows. Even if we go down, that's briefly below the MAs, still be bullish. The indices look good. They look good. But who is leading? Who is gonna make things going up? I don't know. It's gonna be semis. Don't see a clear sector, making everything else smooth and go. That's what I'm missing. The piece that I'm missing. Okay, look at that. The strong stocks. Strong. Ethereum. Okay. Is leaving this. But yeah, that's not, that's the 200. She's gonna smack it into 200. No thanks. No thanks. Don't see anything. It's just not only I don't see anything that it's something, my gut feeling tell me protect yourself. And Santarali is coming to town. I doubt it. But I hope I'm wrong and we can make some money. Dun 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 dun. Ta-da. Games. It's a low risk setup from here. Tennis already here also? Oh my god. Hmm. Tempted. I'm tempted. It's perfect. You know, even account for the gap feeling if you want to. Ugly, yeah. Mm-hmm. I love QQQ here. You go on a little bit further, and then um, for one, two, three more days of this, bam, 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 and then all of a sudden we do something like this. The two races of we built something like we're off. We're off to the races on volume. We'll probably need some volume, yeah. But ooh, ooh, right now at this point, give it another like 3, 4 days to build some more tightness, and then we end up the week closing like this. We're off. We're off to the races. If we can do that. Okay. Revisiting my scans. Mm. Reading the stocks also and everything. Semis on electronic components, they look the strongest though. Oh, nice. Okay, well, there's nothing else to do. I've got my positions. I'm gonna protect a little bit more myself from UAL and gold. Although gold is quite primal. Oh, yeah, it's a very small position. UAL is the one I want to protect myself more. I haven't trimmed. I haven't done anything yet. I'm just letting it work for now. Well, okay. Kulamagi scans. Probably empty. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Lunar aerospace. This is what I mean with Joe Pye. Yeah. It needs more tightness. Okay. Nothing on the one. 3 months. Things are still setting up nicely. Just okay. Rivian just broke down, but yeah, we're not so bad at all. Like at all. Even forget it. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Well, I will go for Ionic, because at least it's but gigantic volume, and now we're coming back into this area. Oh no, hardly any distribution. Um, the story is nice, it's good. So yeah, things can happen. The Ionic need to lead, and Ionic is a little bit the same. Yeah, just came back to this level. Already got bought on the 50 here. We'll see. Yeah, there's more distribution. Yeah, it's true. So, damn. Yeah. Nothing to do. I have nothing. I don't feel like there's anything to do or a reason to stay here for much longer. No, it's okay. Protect your profits and keep an eye, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Well, thank you, everyone. Well, everyone. Um, if you ever have a question or something, you just don't worry and ask me. Whatever question